Hi! In the previous video, we learned what a sustainable development is. Now, let's understand about its background and how to go for it. The idea first emerged in the late 1980s as a response to world's growing social and environmental problems. For a development to be sustainable, it must take into account the three most important things: social factors, economic factors, and the environmental factors. Again, a very important question. How can a country go for such development which is respectful towards the environment, ensures social equity, as well as is economically successful? We can practice few steps such as reducing the consumption of resources like water, energy. Instead, we can switch to solar energy or wind energy. Moreover, using fuel-efficient engines for automobiles like car and trucks, using recyclable products such as paper bags, living sustainable, no waste, or no single-use lifestyle. These steps may sound easy to you, but they require lifelong commitment. If you wish to know if you are doing the things that are sustainable or not, just ask yourself, can I do this over and over again? It was simple to understand, wasn't it?